Hey everyone, this is Rin and today I want to do a quick unboxing of this Huawei Sound X. Sorry if I am a little bit late to the party because, you know, Hari Raya, Idul Fitri, I want my cuti raya, okay? So in this video, I think this video will be pretty quick because I'm actually not an audiophile. Some of you guys out there might even know more than me when it comes to audio. Please do note that this is not a paid campaign. I'm not getting paid to make this video. I just wanted to just try these speakers out because I think it looks cool. So one of the three reasons. Number one, this was developed in collaboration with DVLA. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So it is a French audio company that makes pretty premium speakers. Number two, I think it looks cool. Number three, it's not a rice cooker. So let's unbox this thing. Slowly, slowly, we're getting there, Okay, this is the thing. This is the speaker. It's pretty heavy and it is covered with a fabric carrying case or something. So in the box, we also have the documentation, also the charger. So let's take a look at the charger. Okay. Yep. We can download 1 million FLAC files from here with this coupon. Everything is in Chinese. I don't really understand what is going on, but never mind. We'll take a look after that. So this is probably a cleaning cloth for us to clean the speaker. Other than that, everything is documentation. So let's take a look at the speakers themselves. Come out, wherever you are. Woohoo! Look at that. Yeah, it does look like a probably Darth Vader's helmet or something. This is how it looks like. Shiny. Ooh. I'm a bit scared to play music on video not to offend the YouTube copyright claim and demonetization gods. Plus, you'll only hear the quality of what my mic can capture. So you really have to be here to listen it in person to really experience the sound. So go ahead to your nearest Huawei store to experience it yourself. Hashtag ad. So how does it sound like? In my experience, good. The 6 tweeters and 2 subwoofers really deliver great results. The bass is powerful, the sound is crispy, and it's detailed and it's not muffled. I'm pretty happy about it. If you are using a Huawei phone like this, right? So you can also use the Huawei share function. You can just tap the phone onto the NFC terminal and then just share the music file that you want to hear onto the speaker. One thing to disappoint is that this thing actually has a lot of smart functions in it, like a voice assistant and all, but it is yet to be unlocked in Malaysia yet until Huawei releases their whole lineup of IoT smart home devices thingy in Malaysia. So for now, until that happens, right, this is a really premium, pretty looking, but very expensive Bluetooth speaker at 1299. So I would probably wait it out until it gets all of its smart functions. Then I'll probably think of getting one because I think this is a pretty good speaker to use in my living room. So I'm Reman, so thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video. If you don't like it, at least share it on your social media with reasons why you hate it so that at least I can get views from your friends. Alright, I'm Reman, so bye bye.